Alright, this is old DR trimmer for a customer. Put a carburetor on, new air filter, new primer bubble. It's probably gonna need a new battery. I have yet to take my charger to that battery, see if I can get it going, but yeah, it's pretty good. It runs 3 times per minute. Choke it, make sure it's idled up a little bit. I got one little string on it just for a test. PTO works. The bail bar, I should say. Idle it down to stop it. Runs great though. Do everything right, and it's a one pull start. I want to get that electric start going though. Haven't really gotten around to that part of it, but this video is mainly for the customer. Old DR trimmer. You got a cubcadet one over there I might show you in a minute. ST100, 159 cc's. I just did an engine swap on this, so that engine was not originally on this body, nor the axle. When I was removing the engine, I had to change the axle from my other one. I had to change it out because the other one the wheel had seized. I put heat on it, PB blaster, everything that I could not get the wheel off. So I had to the other one came off like butter. So I just put the good one on there and a good engine on here. But here, fire up.